Hello guys, today or in this video I will show you how to solve tasks of truth table and logical elements in computer science. So let me just write basic logical elements and truth table. Basic logical elements. When we hear the word logical, it means that we have conditions. For example, as you can see in your books, for conjunction or and, it is like we have two inputs like P and Q. It is raining outside, the football game is cancelled. If it is P and Q, we have two conditions. If it is raining outside, the first condition. The second condition is if the football game is cancelled. It means that if the both conditions are true, then we'll not go to the football game, right? So let's write first of all three elements of logical operators. The first one is and, or we call it conjunction, and its sign element. Sign looks like this one. Second one is or, we call it disjunction. Sign looks like this, and the last one is not, which is negation. Sign looks like this one, or like this. We know about three elements of logical operators. If we heard the word logical, if we heard the word logical, it means we have conditions. We have input, like input is our condition, and we have outcome, which is output. If it is raining outside, if the football game is cancelled, are two conditions, and the outcome will be, or output will not play a football, right? So to write these conditions and their output, we use truth table. Let me write here, draw a table here with two inputs or two conditions. The first condition will be called like A, second condition will be called B, and we have output, which is a result or which is outcome, right? If we have two inputs, all the possible variants will be 4. We'll have 4 possible variants. How we calculate how many possible variants we have? It is for example, here we have two inputs, then we will write 2 as the power of 2. So we have 4 inputs. If we'll have 3 inputs like A, B, C, then we'll have how many? 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. We'll have 8 variants like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But for now, we will just do the truth table with only 2 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 variants. Let's say that if the first condition is false, if it is not raining, the first condition is it is raining outside, right? But if this condition is false, it is not raining outside. We write false, or in short F, or in computer science language, it looks like 0. And second variant is true. In short, it will be T, or in computer science, it will be 1. Like we have light, we don't have light. Yes, we have, we don't have. So if the first condition is false and the second condition is false as well, then output will be false. If the first condition is false, second condition is true, output will be false. If the first condition is true, but the second condition is false, output will be false. If the first and second conditions are both true, then output will be true. Here, in AND conjunction, we will have output true only and only if our both inputs are true. If one of them or both of them are false, then output will be false. Now let's go to disjunction, or let me draw a table here. We'll have 2 inputs as well and 4 variants. Variants will be same as on the previous table. Let me just write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in disjunction, if the both inputs are false, output will be false. But in all other cases, when we have at least one true condition, output will be true. So we'll have false in disjunction only if both inputs are false. And in negation or not, we'll have only one input and one output. Like A is input and we have output. We have only one input, so 2 to the power of 1 is 2. We have 2 variants, like false or true. Not false, not false, not false means true, right? If it is not false, then it is true. Not true means false. So negation just changes the value, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. And now let's do a task from your book, so it will be easier for us to understand. We have 2 inputs, P and Q, and we have an expression here, not P and Q or P and Q. We have 2 inputs, so it means that we will get 4. Let me just write here just output, okay? Here will be solution. We have inputs, we have solution, and we have output. So the first case is when both of them are false. As in math lessons, first we'll do the braces, okay? The first case, this one is second. Then we will just do the negation, third one. Fourth one will be 3 or 2, okay? The fourth one will be or. Let's do the first step, P and Q. 0 and 0, right? P is 0, Q is 0. If they are both 0 and 0, output will be 0. Second step is P and Q again. I think we don't have to calculate it, just copy the previous step. Third step is not first step, okay? It is, we'll just get the answer of first step 0 and put not sign here. If it is not 0, it is 1. And fourth step is third or second. So answer of the third step is 1, or answer of second step is 0. If it is 1 or 0, here we have 1 and 0, answer will be 1. So output is 1. Let's see the next step, where P is 1, Q is 0. The first step is P and Q. P is 1, Q is 0. 1 and 0, here where is 1 and 0 is 0. Second step, same as the first step, P and Q. 1 and 0 is 0. Third step is not 0, right? Not 0. So it will be 1. Fourth step is third 1, or second step's result is 0. 1 or 0, where is 1 and 0? It is 1. So answer is 1 as well. Let's do another example. Let me just write, like we have 3 inputs, A, B, and C. Okay. Here we'll have solution and output. And expression will be like B and C, or A and B, or C not, or C, for example. So what will be the steps? First, we will do this bracket. Second, we'll do AND. Then we'll do result of the 2 and with C. And the fourth step will be not. Fifth step will be this or. And sixth step will be this AND. Oh, here. Okay. Let's write like this. C is 1, B is 0, and A is 1. So the first step will be B and C, which is 0 and 1. It is 0. Second step is A and B, 1 and 0, which is 0. Third step is A and B or C. We already know that A and B is 0 from here, or C is 1. So 0 or 1 will be 1. Fourth step, not the third step. So not 1 will be 0. Fifth step, on the first step it was 0, or a result of this one, 0. 0 or 0 will be 0. Sixth step is 0 and 1. C is 1, so it will be 0. Output is 0 as well. I think that's all for today. You just have to remember that in AND we have true only if both inputs are true. In disjunction or output will be false or 0 only if both of the inputs are 0. And negation is the simplest one, is the easiest one. We have one input and we just have to write the opposite for that number. If it is 0, it will be 1. If it is 1, it will be 0. And let me write to you as a help. If you have 3 inputs, 2 to the 3 will be 8, right? So let me just write 3 inputs for you. Maybe you will just learn them by heart, or you'll understand the pattern how I'm writing them. First of all, we will start with zeros. Then I will add 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. It will go to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So how many inputs we have here? 1, 2, variants, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, actually, it is the binary numbers of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you forget or if you cannot find which variant you forgot, then you can just convert these decimal numbers into binary numbers and just split all the digit in different columns, like 7 and 2 will be 3, right? Minus 6 is 1, 3 divided by 2 is 1, 1, so 1, 1, 1. 7 in decimal will be 1, 1, 1 in binary number. We just write 1 as A, second one as B, and third one as C. That's all. See you guys on the next video, and good luck for your exams. Bye.